Heat wave, though, probably the last thing on your mind, but it will be for state lawmakers taking up a proposal that supporters say could be a matter of life and death on our hottest days. In Washington and in many states, it's illegal for utilities to shut off your power because of non-payment during extremely cold weather. But Attorney General Bob Ferguson is now pushing a bill that would take that same concept and apply it to summer heat waves. His office highlights this data from central Washington, Yakima, showing the number of days each year above 90 degrees, which went from an average of around 30 back in the 1980s to more than 50 days per year in the last decade. In that same time frame, the number of days over 95 degrees has more than doubled.
It's, a direct cause of what we're seeing in Washington state.
Representative Charlotte Mena from Tacoma is one of the bill's sponsors. She pointed to the 2021 heat wave when temperatures reached triple-digit all-time highs 3 days in a row. Remember that? The Department of Health says nearly 160 deaths were reported in Washington state over the course of just a month, and emergency room visits were 69 times higher than previous years. Mena says deaths and heat waves can come from a combination of things, but guaranteeing access to water and other utilities is an important step.
This bill will certainly address, the needs of some of our lowest income residents, but that will only apply to folks that are currently housed. So we do have to pair it with other action.
Right now, the threshold for no shutoffs would be temperatures at about 90 degrees, but of course that could change. The bill still faces some logistical hurdles, including how much it would cost and, of course, how to pay for it. Some utilities, including Puget Sound Energy, already have shutoff prevention during extreme heat. We talked to the utilities and the Transportation Commission that regulates investor-owned utilities. A spokesperson said they are closely watching this bill in Olympia and will provide feedback.